I'm back. So I just wanted to show you guys the specs of this Antonia wig that I got from Outre. This is in a number 2. She is a lace front, which I usually don't really do lace fronts, but I thought the wig was cute, so I bought it. So. All right, we have 2 combs in the back. 2 combs in the front. It's the front of the wig. So 2 combs in the front, 1 small comb in the back, and of course the adjustable straps. It's not that much lace on this thing. I already cut the lace off, but it's like really, really thin, and it has the ear tabs, but it's very, very thin. Yeah. This is a rougher wig, but then I have had it for a while because when I bought it and then like a whole bunch of stuff happened. Like I bought the house and like everything. So, yeah, I won't think about no wigs. I was stressed out from buying a house. So, let's put this thing on. Ooh. Honey, I look like somebody's grandmama's. I don't know about this. It was cute when I tried it on before, but as of right now, honey, this is looking very grandma-ish. This, ooh. Ooh-wee. Let's see what we can do, honey, because this, I look like we are dream girls, to make you happy. This look, yeah. Honey, this right here. I don't even know why they put this lace on it, because low-key this a half wig. Like, why they put this lace on it? To jazz this up just a little bit, because it is a bob, you guys. So, all right. Now that this thing is on my head, and okay, it don't look too bad now. Okay. All right, now that the wig is on, and I adjusted it a little bit, this probably needs to be cut in the front, but my scissors ain't by me. But this is a bob, you guys. Antonia is a bob. She's very short, and she's curly, and she's pretty. I really do like this wig. I am getting grandma vibes from it, though. Like, real grandma vibes. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the grandma vibes. I mean, this parting space, what was the point? They made a half wig, y'all, and put like a little tiny strip of lace on it and was like, this is a lace front. And then charged you $10 more. I'll try along for that. But it's very cute. Like the curls in the back are like super short. And they're tighter than the curls at the top, because these are kind of looser curls. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the back. So this short is above the neck. So this is a complete 180 from the Dominican curly wig that I just literally tried on. But this right here, bro, I don't know. This is kind of summer hair though. I'm not gonna lie. Because it's short, it's off the neck, and it's kind of cute. But I look like somebody's mama, and I'm not nobody's mama. Like nobody's mama. I'm just fat because. But, yeah. This is, nah. I don't know. I like it. I think it's cute, but it aged me an awful lot. Like, I feel like this definitely put age on me. Like, this doesn't seem like a me type of wig, although I think it's cute. I think this would be cuter, like, on my mama. or my auntie or something like that. It's very soft though. These curls are very manipulative, so you can pretty much do what you want to do with it. It is a rougher wig though, like the texture of the hair, I would say, is definitely a yucky type of hair, like it's a little rougher. And I think that's probably a good thing because the curls will stay in place a little bit longer. It is very cute. It's just, I feel like somebody's grandma. I really do feel like somebody's grandma. But I'm going to take pictures. I'm going to do slow-mos for you guys so you guys can see everything. And you guys saw how I put it on. So, yeah. Thank you for watching the video, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.